This is question 11. Okay, builder supplier sells two types of copper pipes. One has a narrow diameter and costs X euro per length. The other one has a wider diameter and costs Y euro per length. Tony buys 14 lengths of the narrow diameter pipe and 10 lengths of the wider diameter pipe at cost 555. So that means, if I'm correct here, 14 small ones is 14 multiplied by the price of them, plus 10 multiplied by the price of the larger pipe. The total is 555. Okay. Jerry buys 12 lengths of the narrow diameter pipe and 5 lengths of the wider pipe. So he does 12x plus 5y, and that gets him 390. That's my two simultaneous equations written down. Okay. What I need to do now is I'm going to multiply the bottom one by -2. So equation A and equation B. I'm going to multiply equation B by -2 and get rid of the y's. So I'm going to have 14x plus 10y equals 555 minus 24x minus 10y equals 2 times that is 780 minus 780. Okay. Yes, Rory. Move on. Now, what we're doing next is we are taking them away. And what is it's minus 10x, and what's 555 minus 780?
Minus 280.
Minus 225. Yeah. Okay. Multiply both sides by minus, you get 10x equals 225. Divided by 10, you get the thin diameter pipes are worth €22.50. Now that you know they're worth €22.50, all we gotta do is put them into an equation. We can use equation B here. What's 12 times 22.5?
270.
270. Okay, so 270 plus 5y equals 390. 5y therefore equals 120. 120 divided by 5 is €24. So the wider pipe is €24 and the narrow pipe is €22.50. How many people got that? To solve for x and y. Now what we need to do here is we look at 3 and 2, and what we can do is we can take the larger denominator. The larger denominator is 3. Go up in 3's until 2 divides into it. 6 is what we're looking to change them into. Multiply the top and bottom by 2. So you're changing it to 6. Multiply the top and bottom by 3 here. And what we're going to get is 2x plus 3y. They're both over 6. Which means that I can technically do one fraction. All over 6 equals 5. Multiply up to 6, you get 2x plus 3y equals 30. Then you're going to get 3x minus 2y equals 19. Now, get rid of the y's, and what happens when you get rid of the y's is that you are going to multiply the top one by 2 and the bottom one by 3, because we're going 6y in each case. And what we get here is 4x plus 6y equals 60. 9x minus 6y equals 57. 13x equals 117. And x equals 9 there, because 117 divided by 13 is 9. Now, if x equals 9, we go back to the top and see if we can figure out what y is. If x equals 9, 2x is 18. 18 plus 3y is 30. This means that 3y has to be equal to 12. Y therefore is equal to 4. The two answers for that question are 4 and 9. How many people got that? 4 and 9? Okay, majority. Now, finally this one here. Okay, what we're doing here is, once again, we're looking at the larger denominator of the first one. 2x minus 5 all over 3 plus y over 5 equals 6. What we can do is we count up in the larger denominator 5, 10, 15. 15 is the first number that 3 can divide into. Top and bottom multiplied by 5. For y, the top and bottom needs to be multiplied by 3 to get 15 on the bottom. We're next going to get 10x minus 25 plus 3y all over 15 equals 6. Then we're going to get 6 by 15 is 90. So we're going to get 10x plus 3y minus 25 equals 90. Then finally we're going to get 10x plus 3y, 90 plus 25 is 115. So that is 115 there. Okay, we've done one of them. Now we have to do the other one. Now the other one, I can do the exact same technique. The highest denominator is the 10. Okay, 10 and 1. So it's going to be 3x over 10. We need to multiply the top and bottom of 2 by 10. And we get 20 over 10. And that will equal 3y minus 5 over 2. The 10s can join into one fraction. Okay, now cross multiply. We're going to get 6x plus 40 when we multiply the 2 upwards. When we multiply the 10 overwards, we're going to get 30y minus 50. Then what's going to happen is we're going to move everything over the other side. We're going to get 6x minus 30y. Bring over to 40, we get minus 90. All of these are divisible by 6. So we should get x minus 5y equals minus 15. Okay. The other equation was 10x plus 3y equals 115. Now,
you just left that as in the first place.
I know.
And y is 3y cancelled.
Okay. So if I left it the way it was, it would have cancelled, but since I didn't, I'm just going to have to do what I normally do. Multiply the top one by 3 and the bottom one by 5. And we're going to get 3x minus 15y equals minus 45. Then we get 50x plus 15y. 5 times 115 is 575. 53x equals 530. X equals 10. And if x equals 10, that makes 10x 100. 100 plus 3y is 115. Therefore 3y equals 15. Therefore y equals 5. Okay guys. Alright guys. Lily opened the coin box of 52 coins. If the box had X 50-cent coins, Y 20-cent coins, and 10 10-cent coins, the total was €14.30. Write down 2 equations. The first equation is how many coins did we have? X is the number of 10 cents, Y is the number of 20 cents, and Z is the number of 10 cents. All of them equal 52. Okay, that's equation 1. Equation 2 is the total cost. Please remember that €14.30 is not in cents, it's in euros and cents. I'm going to convert that into cents so it's compatible with the rest of the question, because the rest of the question is in cents. Now, how much is the X coins worth? How much is the 50-cent coins worth? It's worth 50 multiplied by how many of them we have, which is 50x. The next one is 20y. 20 multiplied by how many 20-cent coins we actually have. And then finally 10z. Now, what I'm going to notice about the 2 of these is I can refine this equation a bit more and divide across by 10. 5x plus 2y plus z equals 143. Okay, that's equation 2. Now, Lily observed if there had been y 50-cent coins, z 20-cent coins, and x 10-cent coins, the total amount would have been €14.30 as well. Okay, so we're going to write down equation 3. Now equation 3 comes from part 2 of this question. So start off with x. Alright, x 10-cent coins. 10 multiplied by x, whatever this number x is. Okay, next one is 50y coins. 50y. And finally 20z also equals 1430. Once again, divide everything by 10. We get x plus 5y plus 2z equals 143. My next job is to write all three equations underneath each other. Okay, so I have x plus y plus z equals 52. And then I also have 5x plus 2y plus z equals 143. Now, what I have to do is I have to get two equations, I have to use two different combinations, and I need to get rid of one letter at a time. I'm going to get rid of the z's right away. So what I'm going to do is, if I label these 1, 2 and 3, that's the order we got them in. Okay, I'm going to use equation 1 and 2. In equation 1 and 2, I'm simply going to multiply 1 by minus 1. So 1 is getting multiplied by minus 1, so it's minus x minus y minus z equals minus 52. Equation 2 is going to be left the same. 5x plus 2y plus z equals 143. And what we're going to get from this is we're going to get 4x plus y. Now what's 143 minus 52? 91.
Yes.
Okay, that is one equation with x and y in it. We've used, and please, this is equation 4, but mark down equation 4 came from equations 1 and 2. I now have to use a different combination. Okay, I'm going to use equation 3 and 1. Okay, so 3 and 1. So x plus 5y plus 2z equals 143. That's my first equation there, okay? Okay, the next one is x plus y plus z equals 52. X plus y plus z equals 52. Now that I'm at this stage, okay, what we're going to do is we need to work on the two of these. I'm going to multiply the bottom one by minus 2. Minus 2 goes to minus 2y minus 2z. And what's 2 times minus 104? 104. Okay, I'll just multiply everything by minus 2. I changed it. Okay, now I'm going to get minus x plus 3y equals what's 143 minus 104? 39. I now have equation 5. Equation 5 comes from 1 and 3. Now I'm going to put equation 4 and equation 5 directly underneath each other. Now with equation 4, what's going to happen is I need to figure out a way to get rid of the two of these from each other. So I need to multiply the top one by 4, only the top one by 4, and that'll get rid of them. So I'm going to get minus 4x plus 12y. 4 times 39?
156.
Sorry?
156.
156. Okay. 4x plus y equals 91. Okay. I'm going to get 13y. And what's 91 plus 156?
247.
Sorry?
247.
247. 213 divided into
19.
Okay, y goes 19 times. The fact that it was a really clean number, no decimals, no fractions, because we know we have to have a whole number, don't we? Because they're coins. You can have 3.5 coins, but it's not worth, half a coin's not worth anything. Okay? So what we're going to do next is we're going to put this 19 into the 4x plus y formula equals 91. So 4x plus 19 equals 91. Bring the 91 over to the other side. 4x equals 72.
Yeah.
72 divided by 4?
18.
18. We now know that y is 19, x is 18. How many coins do we have in total again?
52.
Total coins equals 52. So take away 18 and 19 from it.
15.
And what do we get?
15.
15. The z value is 15. Okay guys.